A VPN, short for Virtual Private Network, is a privacy protection tool that is quickly becoming a must-have. But why do you need a VPN, and how does it work in the first place? A VPN helps your data travel through the internet safely, without big companies or cybercriminals being able to spy on your online activities. Also, a VPN swaps the real location of your device with a new one. This way, you can virtually travel to any country around the globe. So, who can benefit from a VPN? If you're worried about your online privacy, a VPN makes sure your identity and private information are not exposed when you go online. If digital security is your top priority, a VPN gives a nice additional layer of security. It encrypts your data so nobody could see what you send and receive. If you are a human rights activist whose freedom of speech is restricted, a VPN helps you to bypass censorship and speak to the world. Or, if you're on holiday in another country, with a VPN, you can bring your home entertainment anywhere you go. Here's a pro tip: check out Surfshark VPN. It has everything you need in a premium VPN, awesome speeds, and industry-leading protection that covers all of your devices. All you have to do is click connect. Secure your digital life and enjoy everything good that the internet has to offer with a VPN you can trust.
Click link in the description and get 81% discount for your first order. Disneyland. Walk between Disneyland Park and Disneyland California Adventure Park at Disneyland in California, as these parks are literally right next door to each other. The 3 hotels on Disneyland property are all within walking distance of both theme parks. These hotels are Disney's Grand Californian Hotel and Spa, the Disneyland Hotel, and Disney's Paradise Pier Hotel. Ride the monorail between the downtown Disney District and Disneyland Park if you prefer not to walk. Disneyland Park is within a 10-minute walk of downtown Disney, so the monorail is only for speedier transportation and novelty. Walt Disney World. Ride the monorail at Disney World Resort to travel between the Magic Kingdom and Epcot. Separate resort monorails also connect these parks and the Contemporary, Polynesian, and Grand Floridian resorts. Monorail boarding locations are located outside the turnstiles at the Magic Kingdom and Epcot parks. Travel time between the 2 parks is about 5 minutes. Board a boat to travel to the Magic Kingdom from the Transportation and Ticket Center. You must take a bus or a monorail from any other Disney World park to the Transportation and Ticket Center, where the boats launch. The boat ride from the Transportation and Ticket Center takes about 5 minutes. The docks are located toward the back of the Transportation and Ticket Center and directly across from the Magic Kingdom entrance area. Guests may also travel to the Magic Kingdom by boat from docks located at the following resorts: Disney's Grand Floridian Resort and Spa. Epcot and Disney's Hollywood Studios are accessible by boat from the following resorts: Disney's Boardwalk Inn, Disney's Beach Club Resort, Disney's Yacht Club Resort, Walt Disney World Swan Hotel, and Walt Disney World Dolphin Hotel. Travel times vary slightly by resort, but are usually about 5 minutes. Travel by bus between all Disney World parks, resorts, and the Disney Springs District. Buses depart every 10 to 30 minutes depending on crowd levels at the parks. Bus stops are located between the parking lots and entrances at each park. Travel times from the Magic Kingdom are about 5 minutes to Epcot, 10 minutes to Hollywood Studios, and 15 minutes to Animal Kingdom. Travel time between Epcot and Hollywood Studios is about 5 minutes. Travel time between Epcot and Animal Kingdom is about 10 minutes. Travel time between Animal Kingdom and Hollywood Studios is about 5 minutes. Drive a vehicle between parks and anywhere else you would like to go on Disney property. Take a taxi from park to park. It may cost you some dollars, but if you're not willing to splurge for a vehicle, a taxi is your only other option.